Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a sales tax permit in Florida. First, you need to determine if your business activities require this permit. Most businesses selling tangible personal property or services in Florida will need one. Next, gather all your business information, including your Federal Employer Identification Number, or FAIN, and personal details. Finally, decide if you will apply online or by mail. The easiest method is to apply online through the Florida Department of Revenue's website. You'll navigate to their e-services portal and select Register a New Business. Be ready to input your FAIN, business name, and address. You will also need to specify your business type and the date you began or plan to begin making taxable sales. During the application, ensure your legal business name matches your federal registration. You'll also need to provide your physical business address in Florida, even if you operate from home. Double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy, especially your contact details and business activity codes. This helps prevent delays in processing your permit. After submitting your application, you will typically receive your sales tax permit within a few business days, either by email or postal mail. Once you have it, remember your ongoing obligations, which include filing sales tax returns and remitting collected taxes. These are usually due monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your sales volume. Also, for some great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below for leak-proof containers and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.